In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Notion desktop app when it's not loading, the fastest troubleshooting steps to try, and what to do if the app still won't open properly. The first thing to try is a force reload. Notion's Help Center says on the desktop app you can go to View in your device's menu bar and choose Force Reload. That's often enough if the app window opens but gets stuck on a blank screen, loading screen, or frozen workspace. If that doesn't work, the next step is resetting the app's local data. Notion says you can go to Help, then Troubleshooting, then Reset and erase all local data. This clears the local app cache and can fix corrupted local files that stop the desktop app from loading correctly. After that, Notion recommends fully closing the app and deleting its local app data folder manually. On Mac, open Finder, choose Go, then go to Folder, and enter /users/your-username/library/application support, then delete the Notion folder. On Windows, open File Explorer, go to C:\users/your-username/appdata/roaming, and delete the Notion folder there. According to Notion, this is part of the full desktop reset process. Another important fix is checking for updates. Notion says the desktop app updates automatically, but you can also manually check. On Mac, click Notion in the menu bar and choose Check for Updates. On Windows, click File in the menu bar and choose Check for Updates. If you don't see the menu bar on Windows, Notion says pressing Alt may reveal it. If the app still won't load, try reinstalling it. Notion's desktop app page says you can download the latest version from the Notion desktop download page for both macOS and Windows. Reinstalling helps when the installed version is damaged or outdated. It's also worth checking whether the problem is really the app itself. If Notion works in your browser but not on desktop, that points more strongly to a local app issue. If Notion also fails in the browser, the problem may be your account, login session, or a broader service issue. Notion's troubleshooting section also points users to its support resources for access and login problems. One more smart step is to check for a wider outage. Notion's troubleshooting guidance says to check its status page and leave updates if you suspect a service issue. That helps you avoid wasting time reinstalling the app when the real problem is on Notion's side. And if nothing fixes it, collect details before contacting support. Notion's Help Center says HAR files can help its support team troubleshoot issues, especially when the problem is hard to reproduce. So to fix the Notion desktop app not loading, try Force Reload, then reset and erase all local data, delete the local Notion folder, check for updates, reinstall the app, and check whether there's a wider Notion outage. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.